Okay, so let's move on to the next question. The second term of a geometric progression is 3 and the sum to infinity is 12. So sum to infinity is 12 and the second term, which is AR, is equal to the value of 3. Again, it is given to you already the kind or the type of progression this is. So we can know, or we are given all the formulas as well in the sheet. We can just copy them. The first term is A, we know this. The nth term is given to you by ARn minus 1. And the sum to infinity is given to you by A divided by 1 minus R. Right. Now we can use this to follow up with the questions. Part 1. Find the first term of the progression. So find the value of A. So let's use these values. So at first we have A over 1 minus R is equal to 12. So A have to be 12 times 1 minus R. That's my equation number 1. And here we have A times R is equal to 3. So R is equal to 3 over A. Replace R here by this, you will have what? A is equal to 12, 1 minus 3 over A. Okay. Now, what can happen? Let me expand this. You will have A equal to 12 minus 36 over A. We can multiply by A. Let's see what happens. So you will have A squared, 12A minus 36. Send everything to one side, you will have A squared minus 12A plus 36 equal to 0. Now we can simply factorize. A is here, A is here. So that will be what? Let's check. So 36 could be, so 36 is 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and that should be pretty much everything that we know. So what can we choose here so that we get minus 12? Seems like we have something not working out. Let me double check this again just to confirm. Sum to infinity is 12. We have this over here, good. A over this, okay, good. 12 minus this should be R. Now here we have the second term of this progression. So 2 here, A, it will be this. So R will be 3 over A. Okay, makes sense till now. Okay, let's try to solve this. B squared, 4 times A times C. Oh, seems to be fine. So let me try to use the formula to see what happens. So A have to be minus B plus minus B squared is 12 squared minus 12 squared 144 minus 4 times A times C divided by 2A will be 2. So 144 minus 4 times 36 should be 0. So your answer will be 12 over 2. That should be 6. Okay, so yeah, I'm missing one. Obviously, I'm such a dumbass. So 36 is 6 times 6. That should be minus 6 minus 6. So A will be 6. So as you can see, again, if you guys are confused about factorization, you can always use the formula to find the value of A. Now let's move on. So here we have 6 done, the value of A. That's part 1. And for part 2, we have an arithmetic progression has the same first term and second terms as the geometric. So first term is 6 and second term, that is second term, is equal to 3. That is 6, 3. This is the first two term. Now we have to find the sum of the first 20 terms of this progression. So pretty easy. From here you can see the common difference is minus 3, right? From 6 to go to 3, we have to minus 3. So now since we know the first term is 6 and the common difference is minus 3, we can find the sum of the first 20 terms pretty easily just by using the given formulas, right? So we know that sum of the first 20 terms have to be half times n, which is 20, times 2a, 2 times a will be 12, plus d is minus 3, times n minus 1 should be 19. Now we just have to solve. So this will be 10 over here, we have 12 minus 3 times 19 should be 45 times 10, that should be minus 450 as your answer for the sum of the first 20 terms.